We have come up with 3 categories to help narrow down the right transmission lifter for the workshop use. To your left, we have the passenger vehicle category. These are designed for the removal, installation and transportation in the lowered position of transmissions for passenger vehicles and SUVs. Over to your right, we have the 4-wheel drive and light commercial category. These are designed to work with a wide variety of transmissions in the 4-wheel drive and light commercial market. Then at the very end, we have our earth movers category, for when you need a transmission lifter to work on trucks, mining and agricultural equipment. Transmission lifters play a vital role in automotive servicing. I've got 2 of our models here and I'm going to take you through them in this video.